subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable phone in Indonesia called Realme 7i. Talking about the specifications, the Realme 7i features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 90% screen-to-body ratio. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can be further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme 7i supports a quad camera setup on the rear in L shape at the top left corner under the rectangular module including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone features ultra image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.5 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 188 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme 7i has been priced in Indonesia at 3,199,000 Indonesian rupees. The smartphone will go on sale in the country starting from September 19th in Aurora Green and Polar Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 7i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.